Alright, so just to check with this thing, we have the antenna hooked up here. Follow this wire along, and continue down. It goes into our first amplifier, in, out. Goes into the first mixer, which is mixed with a frequency that I'll show you in a moment. And it then goes out and into the frequency, I'll tell you later. Goes into a bandpass filter at 10.7, into another amplifier, in, out, goes around, into our second mixer, which is hooked up to our second local oscillator, which again is on the opposite side of here, which is then hooked into, which the products of the mixer are then hooked into a low-pass filter, just to make sure there's no high-frequency signals, in, out of another amplifier, and is sent back to our setup. All of these are powered at 15 volts. And all of our powers are grounded the same way. Come over to the other side. The first mixer was at 116.4 megahertz at plus 3 dBm, which is the settings that we found optimal. We are currently tuned to 105.7 FM, and our second one is put to 11.115. This means that our first intermittent or internal frequency is 10.7 megahertz, and our second is 455 kilohertz. That hooks into our PPL circuit, and I'll give it to Nick.
PLL, yeah. So this is our PLL. Plus and minus 10 is what the rails are running it off of. So here we have the PLL, which is being input from the RF section at about 1 volt peak to peak. From our PLL, it goes over to a buffer, which is a TL072, just a buffer, and this goes over to our amplifier section. So I'm going to turn this on now, and it doesn't work.
And we will do a jump edit for that.
Yeah, that's good.
No, it is working.
Oh, it is working.
It's just not catching it properly. Maybe turning the free running frequency.
It's working, it's just off.
I think we just have to turn the free running frequency, adjust a little bit, and then we might catch it.
Okay, keep it running.
I can't tell if it's catching or not.
It is. The red light. See the flashing?
No, I mean the
that's
audio.
catching. Okay.
It's working, it's just a bit off. So if you can hear it.
Yeah, he's right.
You can hear it, it's just a bit off right now.
So taking the camera closer.
So I'm just going to stop and
Yep.
fiddle with the free running frequency. Oh, there you go. But I am going to adjust it.
Okay, and I'm going to end the filming.